Well, being realistic, I think that it will be for academic purposes. I am designing a user-friendly interface to assess epilepsy surgical interventions with the help of a robotic arm that can be printed and assembled for less than 400 euros. So at the end, the idea is that it can be used to teach students how to learn how to work with this type of environments.
My thesis is a simulation of mitral valve regurgitation, which is a heart disease. So having a simulation of this kind of disease can help doctors in the decision making of some treatments, for example, of the mitral clip treatment, which having a simulation of it could help doctors to place the clip in the optimal position to enhance the safety and the efficacy of the treatment.
Well, first, an alternative to the use of traditional computational techniques based on finite element methods is presented by using a meshless model called SPH that facilitates the preprocessing step in order to obtain the geometry of interest. Also, on the other hand, research in the cardiac electrophysiology field providing greater knowledge about the CRT, the cardiac resynchronization therapy, as a treatment for certain types of arrhythmia.
Well, I think my TFZ is going to have a big impact in the future for two main reasons. First of all, I'm looking for clinical applications for a medical device that is under development at the laboratory. So this medical device is going to help the healthcare professionals to monitor their patients and also to improve the quality of life of patients. Secondly, my thesis is going to propose a guideline for technology push innovations. To make it short, there are two kinds of innovations. Market pull innovations, in which the market ask for a solution for a certain problem, for a certain need, and technology push innovations, in which you have a technology that you think could be useful for the society, but you don't have a clear need identified, a clear application for it. So what I'm going to propose is a guideline in order to identify the best needs for your technology when you are, let's say, carrying a technology push innovation.
My bachelor thesis aims to develop a non-viral delivery system through nano-encapsulation of plasmidic genetic information to the cell. The main impact that my bachelor thesis could have is to successfully reduce the drawbacks from previously known nanocomplexes such as cytotoxicity, low transfection efficiency, etc., providing a more reliable alternative to push forward the current gene editing.
My bachelor thesis consists in the development of a new hospital circuit in order to protocolize surgical procedures that take place outside the operating room in Hospital del Mar. It is a fact that due to technology development in the medical field, new minimally invasive techniques will keep appearing. Thanks to this new hospital circuit, Hospital del Mar will be ready to incorporate them. Moreover, other hospitals that are in the same situation as Hospital del Mar could take this circuit as an example and as an inspiration in order to develop their own.